The Texas Consumer Resource for Education and Workforce Statistics, Texas Cruise for short, is an interactive dashboard tool providing comparative information about Texas public 2-year and 4-year post-secondary institutions and career schools. By evaluating programs and institutions on the basis of resultant wages and student loan levels, Texas Cruise will allow parents and students to make informed decisions about college and get the best return on their educational investment. The Texas Cruise website provides you with 3 career path research methods. Users can opt to compare institutional outcome data connected to majors and programs of study, or find majors that match their career interests. Users can see wages related to graduates from 2-year and 4-year institutions within various degree programs, along with their unemployment rates. The latest version of the Texas Cruise tool is easier to navigate, simpler to understand, and has a modern look our users appreciate almost as much as the fantastic information they can find in the tool. The new version can be utilized easily on any electronic device such as desktop, laptop, tablet, or phone. New features in this version include data from career schools across the state, as well as colleges and universities. All of the content is available in both English and Spanish. To explore the data by institution, click on Search by School. You can then select whether you want to investigate 4-year universities, 2-year community colleges, career schools, or review a summary of statewide data for 2- and 4-year institutions combined. Once a school name is selected, click on View Dashboard to see that school's data. Users will see the latest data available for their selected school, but can easily change the baseline year of the data by using the drop-down arrow for years at the top of the screen and clicking on Update Report. Once on a 2-year or 4-year school's dashboard page, users can click on the Compare button to choose up to 3 additional schools to compare outcome data for those institutions side by side. Any of the dashboard pages or individual graphs and tables can be downloaded and saved by clicking on any download button or icon. Users can browse a comparative outcome for any major by simply selecting a major of interest and clicking on the View Dashboard button. Information about that major, related majors, and related careers will automatically populate. Users can then scroll further down the page to see wage comparisons and data for every public institution in the state who offers this program of study. As with our other dashboards, these reports and separate charts and tables can be downloaded and saved by the user. Finally, users can browse data to explore the connections between majors and career interests by identifying which career area, occupation title, and majors they are interested in. When they have made those selections, users can click the View Dashboard button to see a report which provides a program description, related majors and careers, and the wage and institutional comparative data related to their selections. As with all other reports and charts, these too can be downloaded and saved. Once in any dashboard, to make a new selection and start fresh, users simply click one button, Back to Start, at the top of the page to make a new selection. To toggle between search types, click on the Texas Cruise logo at the top left of the screen to get back to the home page and start a different type of search. Remember that any page in the tool can be translated into Spanish by clicking Español at the top right of any page. If users have questions about this tool or the data it contains, they can click the Help button at the top of the page to see our FAQs. For specific questions, please click the Contact button at the bottom of the page to reach us directly. Finally, to get information about accessibility features or tips for this tool, click the Accessibility button at the top right of the page. If you have questions about how to ensure your plans, education and training investments after high school provide you with the kind of payoff you're looking for, Texas Cruise can help you get some answers. Go to txcruise.org to learn more. Texas Cruise is a joint project of the Texas Workforce Commission and the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board.